Hello guys, what's up? Shout out ko lang yung mga kaibigan ko malakas mga prank. At dun sa timang kung laging napaprank, panoorin part 1. Pero syempre bago magsimula, ka naman.
Oh no!
Paruji.
Stop it. Get some help.
Part 2.
Why are you running?
Part 3.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank.
Wala na, finish na.